just spent all this money at Sephora, and now I'm having regrets. I'm having buyer's remorse. I don't even know what I was thinking. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I just spent all this money. I'm not sure why I blew all my cash, my hard-earned money in Sephora. I'm not sure if it's going to change my life. I'm not sure if it's going to make me another person. I'm not sure if it's going to pay my taxes and give me a good refund. I do not know, but I'm really kind of feeling this type of way about spending this money at Sephora. And these are things that I felt like I thought I needed at the time, and I wish I just would have never clicked Sephora.com. But I'm going to show you guys a haul today and show you what I got. I got a lot of skincare. I got a lot of makeup. And I got a beauty blender. And you know what? Whoever says you don't need a beauty blender in your life clearly doesn't know anything about makeup and the transformation of the beauty blender. Okay, you know what? I don't even know what to say anymore. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to see content like this, give it a thumbs down. Because you know what? You, the people, have every right to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. You know, freedom of speech. We're all about that here. So, let's get started with the haul. Hopefully, eventually, I'll get to the status where my ads will pay for my shopping addiction. But until then, I'm going to be using my hard-earned money. So, let's talk about these Shiseido pads. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got... Alright guys, so, we're going to get started with this haul. Now, I got 3 foundations from Sephora. They were the Lancôme. They were the Bobbi Brown. This isn't Bobbi, this is Fenty. But, here is the Bobbi Brown. So, I got 3 foundations, and your girl's out of foundation right now. She needs one, and I've been going barefaced. So, show you guys real quickly what the foundation looks like out of the packaging. Here's Mrs. Lancôme. She's popping. She's looking real cute. And, you know, she goes up to 24 hours. Color, wear, and comfort, and she's transfer resistant. This is the shade 460 Suede. I don't know if any of these foundations are my shade, but you know what? If they aren't, they're going back to Sephora. Next, we got Fenty. She is glamorous. She's got attitude, and she's absolutely gorgeous. I got shade 420. And I'm really excited to try this foundation because anything that Rihanna makes, I'm all about. I'm all about supporting, you know, women businesses, women bosses. I'm all about supporting Black-owned businesses. And you know what? I'm hoping this matches. I'm hoping this is my shade because I just love Fenty. I love everything she represents. Next is Mrs. Bobbi. Sounds like Mr. Bobbi. But yes, according to Jackie Aina, she's a Mrs. And I got the Bobbi Brown foundation. I got it in the color Warm Almond. Here's the packaging. It's very sleek. It's very modern. And I just love the packaging. It's really pretty. And Bobbi is supposedly a full cover, oil-free, shine control foundation. I don't know if it is going to live up to its hype. I'll have to find out. If you want to see a video where I show you these 3 foundations, do maybe like a comparison test. Yeah, I'll do that for you. Now, let's talk about the beauty blender. I love the beauty blender. Actually, no, I don't love her. What am I saying? The first time I got the beauty blender, I didn't really see what the hype was. I felt like it used a lot of foundation. And, you know, I'm like, you know, let me just try this again. I really want to get good at makeup. So, with my whole channel, revamping it, I'm like, you know, let's just try it. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm not going to buy it again. And the next thing I got was this Knockout Tarte Skin Tingling Treatment. What does it do, you may ask? It's a 10% acid complex. It's a powerful pH rebalancing blend of salicylic and lactic acids to help renew and resurface the skin, honey. And, you know, I'm not really a fan of Tarte. Yes, we all know Tarte in the whole foundation shade range. You know, do they represent minorities? Do they represent people who don't fit their range of shades? Why am I buying this, you may be saying? Because Stephanie Nicole recommended it, and you know, I thought, let me try it. But now I'm thinking, why am I buying anything from Tarte right now? I may return this, but you know, if it works, it works. Despite them, I won't be buying their foundation. I won't be buying Tarte tape, but you know, maybe I'll try this out, and if it works, guys, I'll let you guys know. You know, well, maybe, you know, with skincare, if it works, guys, it works. I can't say anything about that. Next, we got the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Serum. Stephanie Nicole recommended this. And I'm all about, well, I'm trying to be all about my skincare. I'm usually the girl that wakes up, puts soap and water on her face, runs out the door. But now I want to be that girl that does the soap and the water, the cleanser, the serum, the acid, whatever it needs to make my face look amazing and last all day and just glow, okay? I just want my face to glow. So, yes, I'm gonna get the C-Firma serum. Kind of expensive. You know, I've saved money. I'm not someone who recommends spending all your money at Sephora. Buy a couple things you need, and that's it. You should save your money, save for college, save for your kids, and you know, if you have a job, you should splurge, because you know, we work hard for the money, and of course you're not going to die with your money, so you should spend it, people, in moderation. Okay, next we have the Belif Moisturizer. As you can tell, I watched that video Nicole a lot. She recommended this, and I'm like, let me go check it out. I definitely trust her reviews, and it just smells like lemongrass. It smells amazing, very moisturizing. Super excited to put this on my face, y'all. Next, we have the charcoal mask. It is from Origins, and it's an active charcoal mask to clear the pores. We'll see if it does anything. I'm really excited to try this. You know, I got a couple of samples from Sephora. This is the Clinique 3-step treatment for skincare. Let's see, what else did I got that I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, I got the KORRES Greek Yogurt Cleanser. And basically it's a basic cleanser. You may be asking, why do I need a cleanser? The cleanser just cleanses all the impurities and dirt off your skin, especially when you have makeup on. I heard it's really good. I'm not an expert on this. Like I said, I'm just starting my skincare routine. That sounded weird. I'm just starting my skincare routine, and I wanted to test this out. Alright, I think that is it, you know. And I showed you guys, what, 12 things, and I may have spent $300 or $350 or $400 for 12 things. Like, who does that? Like, literally, we live in a world where people are spending this much money on this little bit of products. You know, I don't even know what I was thinking, and yes, I do have buyer's remorse, like I mentioned earlier in the video, but you know what? There's some things you just gotta splurge on. It is quality over quantity. Oh, yes. Oh my, okay, wait a minute, guys. One thing I forgot to tell you, I got the Miss Anastasia, Miss however you say her name, powder bronzer, and I got her in her chocolatey goodness mahogany. Super excited to try this. Like I said before, I'm not a makeup artist. You know, I am not really that good at makeup, period, but I'm really trying to get good at makeup, and you're gonna see that in my channel. I'm gonna, you know, upload some makeup tutorials, and hopefully you guys can watch it and join me on this journey and tell me when I'm making mistakes. Please tell me when I'm making mistakes, because I don't know what I'm doing. I just watch tutorials and just, you know, somebody wants to get better, and why not, right? So this is what Miss Mahogany looks like. She's chocolatey, and I wish I could, let's see. Oh my goodness, it feels like butter, guys. So this is a color. I'm gonna mess with my makeup right now. I'm gonna, you probably can't even tell a difference. You probably can't tell a difference. Anyway, I need to use my brush. But yeah, this is what she looks like. This is a cute little compact concealer. So bronzer, basically, why do I need a bronzer, right? Well, bronzer is going to give you some color back to your skin, especially after you apply that foundation. So guys, I am back. My camera died. I don't know what was wrong with my camera, but I'm clearly not prepared for this video. One other thing I got from Sephora, from the lovely ladies at Sephora, or the lovely misters at Sephora, I got this Twilly, I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, perfume sample, and I'm going to spritz it on my hand. Okay, I clearly put too much. It smells really good. Don't you love when you get samples and you're like spraying yourself all up in the store and you don't buy anything? Yes, you know, we all do that. And this is a really good perfume. It smells amazing, very fruity flavor, and I would totally buy this fragrance when my sample runs out. Now, I think that's the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It is probably like 1 o'clock in the morning. This is the only time I can film because I have kids, and you can't film a day when you have kids because they just want to attack the computer and you don't have any time during the day. But I'm getting it done, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content where I do these hauls that I probably return most of the stuff back from, yes, comment down below and let me know. Hope you guys are having a good Easter tomorrow. I will be going to church. And yeah, God bless. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, guys. She cute. She cute. Hair be popping. Makeup on fleek. But she ain't cute, okay? She ain't that cute. Do I look pregnant right now? Let's move this. I spent too much money on this for a haul. But guess what? Guess what? I got cute stuff. I got cute stuff. This is why you don't film at 3 o'clock in the morning.